I am Adrian Lee.
I am Nytara,
and this is the Lee Chronicles.
You clear your head and find a spot for me. I climb in your bed through my technology. When you in the mood for love, give you my computer love. All you do is tune in, I'm watching what you do, and it's like I'm in the room with ya.
How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having a wonderful,
amazing
day today. If you clicked on this video, thank you. Appreciate it. If you were an existing member of the Lee Chronicles, welcome back. Hello.
Hi.
If you are new to the Lee Chronicles, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you hit that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy it. Because here at the Lee Chronicles, we make fun videos, so have fun with us. Today, y'all, we got a mukbang, and we are doing a Walmart Marketplace mukbang. No, we are not sponsored by Walmart.
Please sponsor us, Walmart.
But we did pick up a few things from Walmart. First of all, we got these little Walmart sandwiches. They look great. Look fantastic.
We got
this is the roast beef and cheese.
Yeah.
This one is the white meat chicken. They gotta put white meat chicken and bacon ranch. This one's a Philly. And then we also got some mozzarella sticks with some potato sticks. Loaded potato sticks, sorry. Then we picked up some raspberry and strawberry lemonade. These are all from the marketplace, except for the potatoes and mozzarella sticks. Well, before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that like button, and let's get this heated all up and get going. Let's get it going.
Okay, guys, so we got all our stuff cooked and ready to go.
Yeah, so we got the mozzarella and potato sticks. Then we got our 3 sandwiches. So, and our drinks.
Yes.
I'm gonna start with the raspberry.
Copycat. Just kidding.
Make sure to shake these pieces up. Well, let's dig in, man. Let's try these. I'm gonna go with this chicken, of course.
I'm going. Is this the Philly?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going with the Philly.
Ooh, over there. Chicken's not too bad.
This Philly's good. Where's my Philly?
Oh yeah, that's the roast beef.
The raspberry lemonade is real good. You want to taste one of those fish sticks, please?
Oh, fish sticks?
Mozzarella sticks.
So,
I'm going to try potato.
how's it feel to be done with school now, off to the 6th grade?
I don't want to be in 6th grade.
Huh?
I don't want to be in 6th grade.
I mean,
I have to, but I'm so happy. Summer vacation. I love summer.
y'all, we gonna come with a lot more content for this summer. All the ideas I had were with her.
Yeah.
So,
This is really good.
I tried the potato. Not too bad. So yeah, all the content I had, ideas I had, were all need to be done with her. So
Dang.
I didn't feel like putting out any. There's no cheese in there at all.
Why they do this?
That's because sometimes they bust open and all the cheese comes oozing out. So you might have a couple without cheese. And I ate the cheese off the pan. But I had to clean the pan, so... My bad.
I'll have this one then.
So... We got plenty of content for y'all. Plenty of ideas coming.
This one had cheese.
Even if the video's a couple minutes, I still want to give y'all something. I know, this roast beef is heat.
The Philly is delicious.
So everybody's hooting and hollering about, what is that country road song? What is it?
Old Town Road.
Oh, God. All the kids love it.
Roast beef.
I'm glad he got a hit, though.
I didn't know what that song was. You were like, you said something about it. I was like, what? And I was like, okay. And I
I don't think he can do anything past that, but as of now, he got a heat. Now I'm going to try this roast beef, Philly.
This beef is fire. It's good.
Oh, Philly's good, too.
Now you're making a mess.
I'm not. So we almost to 1,000 subscribers.
How much do we have?
We're on the road to 1,000.
Good.
I should say. That's the next goal, to hit 1,000
Don't be
subscribers.
like those other people. They have like 6 million, and they're like, oh, we're almost at 10 million.
Yeah, you gotta speak it in existence. I'm eating no chicken. It fell out.
Okay.
They say if you speak it into existence, it'll happen for you. So we on the road to 1,000, and that's a big goal for us because we've been doing this for a year now, and we about to start grinding hard on it, y'all. For y'all, we do this for y'all. We do this to entertain you, to make you laugh, hopefully change your day. Hopefully change your day, because I can understand people were going through tough times. This is America. This is the world. So, especially just here in America, people going through tough times, and people want to smile and laugh and have something to wake up to, some kind of enjoyment. Especially if you're going through a rough time. You don't want everything sad, you know. So we try to make you laugh, try to make you smile.
I think you cooked this more than these.
I cook them all the same amount of time.
But this one's like softer.
I don't know.
I think so.
So Nytara's going on to 6th grade. She just graduated 5th. Her school is across the street, so she'll be walking.
Potatoes are my favorite food in the world.
And I remember walking to school back when I was in actually 7th grade. 6th grade I had to ride the bus. But 7th grade I was walking.
I have to walk 6, 7, and 8 every day.
Yep.
Back. Back.
I had to walk like 5 blocks.
Oh. Could have just stuck in the bus.
I lived too close. They wouldn't give me no bus. We didn't even have a bus stop. Because I lived too close. They wouldn't. I stopped for 5 blocks. I guess that's what they were figuring. And I walked to school all the way up to high school until I started being able to drive, but
Then you drive.
I didn't start driving until my senior year. Rain, sleet, and snow. Walked in the hot sun. Walked in the rain. Walked in the snow. You will see. You just gotta walk across the street, but still. You're gonna feel when it's raining, when it's cold, man. Our little across the street walk gonna feel like forever.
No, it
But like, why this parking lot so big? Why we got so much grass? Everybody in their fancy buses.
Buses aren't fancy.
That's what you're gonna be saying when you walking. Everybody in their fancy bus.
I know I'm not.
So yeah, I started this 30-day workout. I started today. And each day you do the workout. You gradually do a little more here every day. And it's 30 days. It's squats, jackknives, sit-ups. You do push-ups. You do, did I say squats? I said squat. You do push-ups, planking, and sit-ups. It's for 30 days. I guess after the 30 days you continue. I guess you follow the same steps that you did for the first 30, but I just know I can't stop once I started.
Why?
Because I want to get into a good workout regimen. I've never really been the type to work out, so I want to start working out. I want to lose at least 20, 30 pounds. Probably 20. I probably only need 20. Lose some of this stomach. Because I'll tell you, when we went to see wrestling, and you know, in arenas, you don't have that much space. Well, they're like crunched in. So we were at wrestling like a couple weeks ago, and a few weeks ago, and I had to stand. We had to stand up to let a person through. Well, this man had a gut just like me. He had a stomach, and when he was walking by, his stomach brushed against mine. And Lord, I felt so uncomfortable. I said, no, I need to do something. Something needs to be done.
You didn't do that to me. Because
you small, so I'm full size. You're small.
I know.
You're still a child, still a kid. These are two full grown men, and his belly touching my belly was very uncomfortable. Very, trust me. I had to get some mustard, y'all. All I tasted was straight up cheese.
So I'm gonna straight up cheese.
I mean, it's alright, but man, ain't had no other flavor in it but straight up cheese.
Do you want potatoes, miss?
Nah, I'm good on those.
And the mozzarella.
I can't believe you ate all them half sandwiches.
I do.
I just knew we was gonna have something left over.
You didn't eat all day, so you're gonna get full very fast. Are you already full? Yeah.
A little bit.
I ate breakfast.
So how would I get full if I ate?
Because if you did not eat in a good amount of time, like you didn't eat. So if you are like so hungry, you're gonna eat something and then it's gonna be like, I'm done. I don't want anything else.
That's kind of how I'm feeling right now, though.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna bust this open, and the bread kind of sucks now.
One thing I want to do, I'm probably gonna feel bad about it, but I want to do a prank on you.
You already got pranked. I don't feel no remorse.
Dang! Okay.
I actually feel good about it.
Okay.
I finally pranked you. If y'all ain't seen that video,
Don't click on it. I don't know why.
check out
he
our prank
smelled it.
video.
I don't know why he smelled the rat or the mouse.
It was a mouse, not a rat.
But you kept calling it a rat in the video.
You know what?
What?
I think it was a rat.
But it said ice mouse.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
It don't matter. They're both in the same family, so.
Who is? Oh, the rat and the mouse.
Uh huh. So they're about the same anyway.
What is this?
Pointy little face
Billy.
and long tail.
What? Mm-hmm.
Honestly, these sandwiches started off really good. I think just because we had too many, I don't know.
Mm-mm. Alright.
Or it was meant to just eat one.
I know.
We ate a whole half of 3 sandwiches.
I think, we did not eat all our sandwiches. You ate like all of them. Halfly.
You said happy?
Halfly. You like didn't eat the bread. Some of the bread, but okay. Because it was hard. We're not even done with our other drink. I'm not even done with my other drink.
I'm saving this strawberry one
Me too.
for later because that's heat. I'm going to snack on this Gatorade I have.
You're gonna eat it? Snack?
Drink it.
Good evening. I don't know, I'm crazy. But anyway, yeah.
Stop.
Stop what?
I got some fun videos coming up, y'all.
Including
This
me.
channel is going to shoot up. It's all over your lip.
Oh, don't touch me with that I got spit all over me. My own spit.
Here, wipe your face.
No, not with that dirty rat.
It ain't dirty.
Oh, you didn't wipe the table with it?
No, I didn't wipe the table. I wiped my face.
Dirty now.
Oh, okay.
You didn't take a shower.
I did too.
Years and years. Years.
Stop. I don't think we had enough food for the mukbang, y'all. No, we've been going for a while, so
Yeah, we have.
I think we're gonna go ahead and end it here. I mean, we've been, yeah, we got things to do, man.
What? What?
So we gonna end the video right here, yo. I hope oh, what's on my shirt? We hope you enjoyed our video. You got any shout outs for today?
Oh my goodness. Shout out. I shout out. I shout out Christy.
Yeah. Well, shout out to Christy, I guess.
She comments. Okay.
Right. People, comment for us, please.
She comments.
Yes.
No one
Well,
else.
shout out to Christy for commenting. If you would like a shout out on the channel, oh, we ain't got that much time left. If you want a shout out on the channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel,
Turn on your notifications. Press the bell if you didn't know that too.
and comment.
Yeah. Give this video a like.
So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, of course. Please hit that like button. Make sure to comment, of course.
Yes.
Stress that enough. We like the comments. I read them. I comment on as much as I can. you know, hit that bell button so you know when we post. You gotta hit the bell.
Ding ding.
So you know when we hit. So you know when we're posting new videos. Stop. So you know when we post a new video.
When you know when we hit.
And get us to 1,000 subs, y'all. Share the video. Tell your friends about our channel. Say, yo, Lee Chronicles is heat. We out, y'all. Remember, you only got one life.
Take care of yourself.
And be happy.
Peace.
Peace.